Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to answer one question which I was recently asked, and this is how to make your YouTube channel public. And first thing what I wanted to mention, whether you are using mobile device or whether you are using PC, guys, your YouTube channel is public already and you can't make your YouTube channel private. But what you can do is you can make private your YouTube videos. YouTube don't have such options that you can make it public or you can make it private, and I have recently watched some videos also, and I have noticed that all those videos which are in relation to how to make your YouTube channel public are not true, because you can't make your YouTube channel public or private like I mentioned already. But now I will show you how you can check whether your YouTube videos are public or private. All you need to do is, once you are in your YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio, and once you will be in your YouTube Studio, here on the left hand side click on your videos, and you can check whether your YouTube video is public or private just by clicking on this pencil icon which appears whenever you are hovering some video. Just click on it, and when settings for this video will appear, here on the right hand side you can see whether this video is public or private. If it is private, as you can see, you can make it private, unlisted or public. If it's public, then everybody can see it. If it is unlisted, this means that you can share link, but this video will not be displayed on your YouTube channel. If you will make it private, only you can watch this video. So yes guys, I hope that I answered your question, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.